Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change WhatsApp web language to English. So the first step you simply need to do is to open WhatsApp web and log in into your account on WhatsApp. So once you've done that, you simply need to click on this gear icon, and here you can see that this is another language, so I want to change that into English. So you simply know, here you can see the global icon. You simply need to click on that, and here you can see different languages. So let's suppose I want to change it to another language, so I'm going to select the English. So let me find English first. Okay, so here you can see that you simply need to click on that, and here you can see that click on OK, and let me show you. Now you can see that my language is changed into English. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.